Hello everyone, I am Jelle Schorskamp from the Netherlands. I'm a professional RC driver and I'm an IFMAR world champion. I have raced many cars, RC cars in my life, but this one here is something different. This car has no drivetrain, no gear differentials, no belts, and this car has its own motors on every single wheel. 4 in-wheel drone motors, direct drive, built on a Infinity IF14 Speciale chassis, fed by 2 Cayote 2S LiPo batteries, independent control of every motor using a microcontroller. Okay, let's go. It's an experiment. What is possible when every wheel can be controlled individually? Can we build an RC car that is competitive and yet quieter, more battery friendly at lesser cost?